Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Hinkle here today, and her helper with her today is Olivia. So there's Olivia's hand and Mrs. Hinkle's hand. And for this, it's called measuring handfuls. Olivia and I have different size hands. I'm going to put my hand right here, and Olivia's going to put her hand right there. Let's see if we can put our hands together. There's our hands. So what we're going to do is I have a box full of Unifix cubes, and Mrs. Hinkle's going to go first. She's going to grab a big handful of Unifix cubes, and Olivia's going to guess how many are in my hand, and I'm going to have you guess at home too how many are in my hand. And then we're going to line them up on these tens frames and see if we were right or close to our prediction. So again, this is how big my hand is. Here I'm going to go in for the big claw grab. All right, this is what I got out. So let's let you at home make a guess first. All right, oh man, 2 fell out. Those count though, because they were there till I started twisting around. So I'm gonna put those 2 more back in.
And I'll grab the one that's under there. Quick.
Okay, so how many, Olivia, do you think are in my hand right now?
13.
You think 13?
No, actually 12.
Pick your number.
12 for sure.
12 for sure. All right, I'm going to put them down, and I'm going to write down 12. So to fill up 12, we need 1 whole tens frame, and then how many more? Do you know, Olivia?
2.
2 more. So I did belly buttons, and now I'm going to go color it in. So her estimate was 12, which would be 1 whole tens frame and 2 more cubes. 12. All right, now I'm going to line them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh no, it's 20.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So my real number was 19. So for 19, I have to fill up a whole tens frame, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Everything but one of the second. So Olivia, was your estimation greater than or less than the actual number? Less than, yes. 12 is less than 19.
I for sure
So
thought it was in the tens or something.
You thought it was going to be in
But
the
I
teen
thought
numbers?
it was going to be less because your hand, it just looked like less because some were stacked on each other.
I know, I really got them tucked in there. All right, I'm going to put these back. And now Olivia's the grabber and Mrs. Hinkle's the guesser. So there's her hand. Okay. Go in there and get a big claw grab, Liv. Okay, now turn it over underneath the camera. There it is. Whoop. Here it is. Whoa, she got a lot in there. Okay, I'm going to guess 15.
Okay.
All right, put them down. Over here, honey.
Oops, I didn't mean to.
Okay, now I have to write down my guess, which was 15. So to be 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to color in 15, which would be 1 whole tens frame. And 5 more on the second tens frame. That's my estimate, my guess. Now we're going to figure out the real deal. Olivia's going to organize them onto
1,
the mat.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we got
11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17 cubes fit in her hand. So my estimate was 15, but the real deal number was 17. So I then again have to fill in a whole tens frame, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And Olivia, was my estimate greater or less than the real deal?
Less.
Yep, I was 2 less than.
Yeah.
I was 2 less than.
We were both less.
We both underestimated the size of our claw grab, didn't we? Mm-hmm. All right. Now, on the back side of this paper,
Whoa.
I have a sheet, and it is called How Many More to Make 5? And here I have 3 on a set. 3 on a set. How many more would I need to make 5? Say 3 in your head and count up to 5 and see how many fingers you have. 3, 4, 5. I would need 2 more cubes in this train to make it 5. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I already have 4. I want 5. So how many more Unifix cubes do I need to click onto that train to make it 5? I'm going to say 4 in my head and count up till I get to 5. 4, 5. 1 more. Here I have 2 Unifix cubes connected, but I want a Unifix stick of 5. So how many more do I need to make 5? I'm going to say the already given number and count up until I get to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would need 3 more cubes to make it a stick of 5. Here I only have 1 cube, and I want it to be 5. So how many more? Let's say the given number and count up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would need 4 more cubes. Now at the bottom here, it says, count the cubes. How many more to make 5? Show the equation on the line to tell how many cubes in all. So first we give our already given number, which would be 1, 2, 3. 3 plus what equals 5? How many more would we need for 5? 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Thank you, boys and girls. Have a great day.